Okay, today we'll be replacing the driver's side lower control arm on this 2016 Jeep Patriot. So stick around and we'll see how easy or how hard this job is. Lower control arm, you can see the bushings here. Okay, so here's the new lower control arm. You can see the bushings here. And that blue cover on the left is the ball joint. Okay, try to find a strong and safe place to put your jack and jack stand. Taking off the tire. I think these are the worn out bushings making some noise. Here I have a 21mm socket taking off one of the bolts. Also, here is a 21mm bolt with the nut welded into, I'm going to call this the unibody frame. It's boxed in there and you can't even see it. Okay, here I am taking off the 18mm bolt and nut for the ball joint. Here I'm using a ball joint splitter. And that's it for taking off this lower control arm on this little beast. I didn't know the camera was off, but to get more travel room for the lower control arm, I had to take off the outer tie rod, pictured here. Then I basically had to force the bolt through the holes for the control arm. You have to wiggle it around to make it fit. There are 3 bolts. Put each bolt in by hand and then tighten them. And it was hard lining that bolt up on the top. Went on the bottom would go in, but it wouldn't go up through the top. I finally twisted it around, but definitely you got to have a jack under there to do this. Okay, let's go to the next bolt. Yeah, if you wiggle this around, it's going to catch. Don't forget to put some anti-seize on the bolts. Here I used a floor jack with a 1 1/2 inch socket to put the ball joint into position. Okay, she's done. The rest is just putting on the tire, and they got to get a front end alignment. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.